Today, we're going to discuss one of the most crucial aspects of successful farming, soil fertility management. Maintaining and improving soil health is key to achieving high crop yields and ensuring sustainable farming practices. Let's dive into some best practices that you can implement on your farm. First, let's talk about soil testing. Before making any amendments, it's essential to understand the current condition of your soil. Conduct soil tests to determine its pH level, nutrient content, and organic matter. This information will guide you in making informed decisions about the type and quantity of fertilizers needed. Next, consider the use of fertilizers. Both organic and inorganic fertilizers can play a role in soil fertility. Organic fertilizers, like compost and manure, improve soil structure and provide a slow release of nutrients. Inorganic fertilizers, on the other hand, offer precise nutrient ratios and immediate availability. The key is to use them judiciously based on your soil test results to avoid overfertilization, which can harm the environment. Crop rotation is another powerful tool. Rotating crops helps break pest and disease cycles and improve soil structure and fertility. For example, rotating legumes, which fix nitrogen in the soil, with other crops can naturally enhance soil nutrient levels. Cover cropping is an excellent practice to protect and enrich your soil. Cover crops, like clover or rye, prevent soil erosion, suppress weeds, and improve soil organic matter. When they decompose, they add valuable nutrients back into the soil. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of organic amendments. Adding organic matter, such as compost, aged manure, or green manures, can significantly enhance soil fertility. Organic matter improves soil structure, water retention, and microbial activity, creating a healthier soil ecosystem. By implementing these best practices, soil testing, balanced fertilization, crop rotation, cover cropping, and adding organic amendments, you can maintain and even improve the fertility of your soil. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants and a more productive farm. Thanks for watching. If you found this farm management record-keeping book is your ideal companion to stay organized, efficient, and profitable. Specifically designed with you in mind, it helps you record, track, and manage all the important details in one handy place.